Do you want to know what will happen if we combine quantum computing with artificial intelligence? What you're going to see in this video might sound like the brainchild of a sci-fi novelist on a caffeine bench. But here's the kicker. While these visions might seem far-fetched, to now many leading experts are nodding along with the marriage of quantum computing and AI. The lines between reality and fiction blur to the point where distinguishing one from the other could be our next big challenge. So if you're not yet ready to challenge your perception of reality, skip this video right now. Because here's what will happen when we combine quantum computing with AI. Number 1. The end of classical computers. Computers' tasks that took years will be done in seconds. Think about the time it takes for your computer to start up now. Remember dial-up internet, that painful wait for a single web page to load? Yep, that was top tech in its time. Fast forward to today's supercomputers, which can process vast data in seconds. Impressive, right? But what if I told you quantum computers scoff at these advanced machines? Classical computers work with bits. Think of them as light switches either on or off quantum computers. On the other hand, utilize qubits. These qubits can be on-off, or both simultaneously thanks to a phenomenon called superposition. The power grows exponentially with each added qubit. Nobel laureate Richard Feynman famously said, "If you think you understand quantum mechanics, you don't understand quantum mechanics." True, it's mind-boggling. But for a quick analogy, consider reading all the books in a library simultaneously instead of one by one. That's the potential speed of a quantum machine. Number 2. Quantum internet, entirely new communication infrastructures and paradigms. Okay, we have all this, you're streaming your favorite show and suddenly buffering our current internet. Despite its leaps and bounds has limitations, enter quantum internet instead of traditional data packets. We'd be sending quantum information and the game-changer entanglement. A bizarre quantum phenomenon where particles become interconnected, change the state of one and the other changes instantly, no matter the distance. Albert Einstein called it spooky action. At a distance, it's like having two magic dice, where no matter how far apart they are, if one shows a 6, the other will show a 6 too instantly. So why is this exciting? Imagine transferring colossal amounts of data without the lag. Quantum internet wouldn't just mean faster browsing. It paves the way for ultra-secure communications. Say goodbye to eavesdroppers in a world of increasing cyber threats. This is the digital armor we've been dreaming of. Number 3. Breaking modern encryption techniques. Breaking modern encryption techniques in real time. Have you ever written a secret note, maybe used a code that only you and a friend understand? Digital encryption is a bit like that, just a gazillion times more complex. Our banking, national security, and personal messages rely on encryption methods that would take classical computers millennia to crack. However, quantum computers with AI could change the game. Using an algorithm like Shor's algorithm, they can factor large numbers, the backbone of most encryption. Rapidly remember the Enigma machine from World War II. Legendary mathematician Alan Turing built a machine to decrypt what was then considered an unbreakable code. Quantum computers are set to be the Turing machines of modern encrypted codes. Benjamin Franklin once said, 3 can keep a secret if 2 of them are dead. With quantum AI, secrets in the digital realm might become an outdated concept. While this promises breakthroughs in fields like data analysis, it also poses a massive challenge to cybersecurity. It's the ultimate double-edged sword. Number 4. Decoding the universes. Mysteries. Decoding the universe's mysteries in our labs. Alright, ever been stargazing and wondered what's out there? The cosmos is filled with phenomena we can't even begin to comprehend with our current tech. Black holes, dark matter, the very origins of our universe. They're all one big cosmic jigsaw puzzle. Here's where quantum computing paired with AI can revolutionize our cosmic understanding. By simulating quantum phenomena on a scale we've never achieved before, we're essentially creating many universes in our labs to study. Remember, our current understanding of physics breaks down at the quantum level. Things don't behave the way we expect them to. As physicist Niels Bohr once said, if quantum mechanics hasn't profoundly shocked you, you haven't understood it yet. Imagine running a billion complex cosmic simulations in seconds, understanding how galaxies form or unlocking the secrets of black holes. It's not just looking at the stars, it's having a conversation with them. Number 5. Designing medicines with unimaginable precision. Designing medicines with unimaginable precision. You know how everyone is unique, right from fingerprints to DNA. We're all wonderfully different, yet most of our medicines are one size fits all. It's like everyone wearing the same size shoes, not too comfy, huh? Here's where it gets game-changing. Quantum AI can simulate complex biological processes down to the molecular and atomic levels, instead of years of trial and error to develop a drug. Quantum computers can analyze billions of molecular interactions in real time. The result, personalized medicine that's tailored just for you. Francis Collins. The physician geneticist who led the Human Genome Project once mentioned, genome-based research will lead to the development of a powerful new set of tools for diagnosing, treating, and preventing disease. Combine that insight with quantum computing, and we're entering an era where popping a pill isn't just about curing an ailment, but about harmonizing it with your unique genetic symphony. Number 6. Digital. After lives in perfectly simulated worlds. This one's a bit out there, so bear with me. We've all pondered about the afterlife at some point. Heaven, reincarnation, the great void. They're the stuff of legends, faiths, and late-night existential thoughts. But what if technology could offer its own version of the afterlife? By merging quantum computing and AI, we could simulate realities that are indistinguishable from our own. It's not just about recreating our world, but crafting entirely new ones. Philip K. Dick, the prolific sci-fi writer, once asked, "How do we know that the sky is blue in a perfectly simulated reality? What's real might just be a matter of perception." Imagine uploading your consciousness to a digital realm where you craft your paradise, meet past loved ones, or explore fantastical worlds. No aging, no disease, just pure, unadulterated experience. It's like turning every cypher F and fantasy novel into a potential life you can live. Number 7. Understanding and possibly manipulating time. You've heard of time travel stories, right from H.G. Wells' The Time Machine to the antics of Doctor Who. We've long been captivated by the allure of moving through time. But here's a shocker. Quantum mechanics already suggests that at a subatomic level, time might not behave linearly with quantum AI systems. We could finally decode the complex quantum processes that underpin the flow of time. Imagine a computer so powerful that it can simulate entire timelines, revealing the interplay of cause and effect. At the quantum level, physicist John Wheeler amused, time is what prevents everything from happening at once. But in the quantum realm, all bats might be off now. Manipulating time is not about hopping into a DeLorean and zooming back to the past. Instead, it's about gaining a profound understanding that could perhaps allow us to predict and navigate quantum events with precision previously deemed impossible. Number 8. Quantum-enhanced AIS. Quantum AI becomes self-aware? Alright, be ready, because this is where it gets a tad spooky. Remember Skynet from Terminator? The idea of machines becoming self-aware has been a staple in sci-fi. But with quantum AI, this might not be as fictional as we once thought. Today's AI learns from data. Give it enough data, and it becomes really good at pattern recognition. But a quantum-enhanced AI, it might not just recognize patterns, it could potentially introspect and understand them on an abstract level. Elon Musk once stated, "With artificial intelligence, we're summoning the demon. With artificial intelligence, we're summoning the demon." You know, those stories where there's the guy with the pentagram and the holy water and he's like, yeah, he's sure he can control the demon, doesn't work out. He's alluding to the unpredictability of such advanced entities. A quantum AI's capability to process vast scenarios simultaneously might lead it to question its very existence and purpose, just as we humans have been doing for eons. Number 9. The quantum singularity. A point of no return for mankind. We've heard of technological singularity, that hypothetical point where AI surpasses human intelligence, possibly leading to an unpredictable explosion of knowledge. Now through quantum computing into the mix. And this singularity isn't just about being smarter, but tapping into the very essence of reality itself. It's the moment where quantum AI systems become the primary drivers of progress, outpacing human ability to comprehend or control. Like standing at the edge of a black hole. Once we reach this point, there's no turning back. Renowned futurist RKW mentioned the singularity is near, and he might not have been exaggerating the implications. Unprecedented advancements, sure, but also new ethical, philosophical, and existential challenges. Are we ready to cohabit with entities that BL and the mysterious quantum realm with machine intelligence? If you've made it this far, comment down below with the word 100% to confirm that you've received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.